Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Girlify. I hope you all are doing well. Today's makeup video is a tutorial about this look you see on my face right now. If you like this look, please keep on watching. Starting off with primer, I am using Blue Heaven primer. It's a silicone based primer and it gives me a very expensive vibe. Moving on towards concealer, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer in my inner and outer eyes, my chin, cupid's bow, nose and center of my foreheads, and I am in the shade Sensible. It's a very affordable yet good concealer, and for blending I am using very dense brush to retain most of the coverage on these obvious spots. First of all, I am blending it well, and whatever remains in my brush, I am stapling it towards my perimeter. Now the reason why I am applying concealer before foundation. Today I don't want my base to look heavy, and as I am getting most of the coverage with my concealer, I am going to use the tiniest amount of foundation, and that way I am skipping layering. For foundation I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. It's a very easy to work with foundation and it has pretty good coverage. For blending, I am using Damn Beauty Blender. The key of getting a flawless makeup base is blend. So, blend until you are satisfied. To set my face, I am using Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Compact. To contour, I am using iTech Dazzler Compact in the shade Dust Rose or Rose Dust. Sorry, I don't remember the shade name properly, but yes, it is the second darkest shade in this range. So I am giving my face a little warmth, and for blush I want to use a peach shade brush, but I don't have one, so I am using this peach color from Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. For eyes, I am using light brown shade from again Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palette and disposing it all over my lid. Also using a darker color to give a little depth to my eyes, and again using that light brown shade to contour my nose. It's time to set all my mehnat with Insight Makeup Fixer. And lastly, I am filling my brows with a grey eyebrow pencil. It's a local eyebrow pencil, nothing much. Then suddenly I felt it was a bit darker, so I am using my compact powder to settle it down. I mean, it's a small trick. And now I am taking this two champagne color from eyeshadow palette and using it as my highlighter. You can easily use your eyeshadows as highlighter. I mean, look at the shine. For kajal, I am using the Big Apple of my eye kajal from NY Bay. It's a very good kajal. It is smudge proof, waterproof and jet black. And again I am using NY Bay eyeliner. It is also a very good liner in affordable budget, and it is also jet black and waterproof. For mascara, I am using Maybelline mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes. Don't know, I forgot my lips and went to wear my jewelry. For lipstick, I am using Inside lipstick in the shade Joyful. It's a brown nude shade which suits all skin type. And that's all. So, this is my final look. I am carrying a black and white handloom sari along with mirror choker, oxidized ring, bangles and a pair of earring with a small bindi. If you like this look, please like, share and subscribe and be a part of our family. Love you. Bye bye.